Dang it! He's not doing it anymore. Sam was just laughing so hard, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to capture this. I have to capture it, and No, I think he's done. I think now he's just talking in an animated fashion. He's no longer jazzed about the day. He's playing Project M on stream right now. Maybe I could do it without looking, but it didn't work. Wait. Wrong glass. I need to do dishes. Hi, kitties. I'm gonna sit with you while you eat, because that's not weird. So, I was going to make a legit coffee time earlier, and then I started playing Dragon Age, and now it's midnight. So, Sam's streaming, so I can't make my coffee time in there. And you know, the bedroom's boring. So why not do it in this weird mood lighting? With my cats. Right, Sherlock? Yeah. Kids are weird. So I hecked up is what I'm saying. But at the end of this video, you're going to get a video of Watson trying to play with my hair. So that's pretty fun. So enjoy that, and I'm going to go to bed because I'm the worst. Okay, cool. Bye, love you. What are you doing?
Combo!
What do you think you're doing?
Oh!
She's never done this before.
Yo, I'm thinking of trying to main Charizard in Smash 4. Yeah. He's like kind of arse compared to this one, but he's
What are you doing?
yeah, he's still good.